Alright, now you just installed what?
The motherboard.
Motherboard. Click. Good. The last one. Good job. So what are they?
They were a
Hard disk drives.
hard disk drives.
You just installed 3 of them, right?
I just installed 3 of them.
Okay, so what is that?
This is a SSD,
What is SSD?
solid state drive.
I see.
It's a special M2 format.
I see. You're gonna install that now?
I'm going to install it now.
Can you show me?
Yes, I will show you.
No, it has to go in more.
Okay.
Press it more this way. Yeah, lift it a little bit and slide in more. Now, that's good. You just need to screw down that. Okay, what is that?
This is a CPU.
Huh? What's CPU?
Central Processing Unit.
I see. And what are you doing with that now?
I'm going to install it in the square.
Okay, so that's the slot.
It's the slot.
You just put it anyway, or do you have to something?
You can put it anyway. There's this little triangle, and there's another little triangle there,
Okay,
and you have to match it.
I see. Wait, is it in already?
Yes.
Nice job. Just press this down.
Press this down.
Good. Well done.
This is a CPU cooler. This is a fan and a heat sink.
I see. Why do you need that?
We need this fan because the CPU might get too hot.
I see. So, are you ready to install it?
Yes, I am ready to install it.
Okay, let's do it. Use both hands. Keep going. Yeah, it has a spring in it, so spring makes a little bit of noise. Good. Don't over tighten. Alright, the other one over here. You better come this the other side. Press a little bit. Or the other way. Uh-oh, watch out, yeah.
Okay.
Don't over tighten it. Good. And one more step. What's the last step?
Oh yeah, plugging.
Plugging in the CPU fan. There's a cable there. Press it. Good. Well done. Okay. What is that?
A RAM.
RAM? What does that stand for?
Random access memory.
Okay. What is that for?
This is for memory
Remember things?
to remember stuff.
I see. So where do you put that in?
You put the RAM in these two slots.
Okay.
You push these two back
Mm-hmm.
and then slide them in. But there's a side. There's a notch,
Mm-hmm.
and there's a here, a notch there, and a gap, and you have to match it.
I see.
You turn it the other way, and you see G skill. That's the right way.
I see. Let me see. And press it down.
You press it down.
Good. The other
And
one.
then the teeth, you say, will come back up.
I see.
Here's another G skill.
I think that's the other way around. Clicked.
It clicked.
Is
And
it? That's it?
Yeah.
I
This
see.
is it.
Alright. So we're almost done.
Yep, we're almost done.
Okay, what's that thing?
This is a wireless nectar card.
I see.
And this is an antenna.
Okay. So what do you do with them?
So, later, after we finish, we're going to attach this antenna to the wireless
Network card.
network card.
And then what do you do with the network card now?
So, this black slot, we're going to
Install that?
install it right now. So, we're going to push this in now.
Okay. Press it. Press it. Good.
And that's how you do it.
I see. Just need to screw it.
Yeah, we just need to screw it with some of these screws.
Yeah.
Thanks. And
Yeah.
so there. There.
Good job. Good. The next one. So those are the power supply cables.
Oh.
for SATA drives.
SATA drive, not network.
The serial ATA.
Serial ATA.
Good job. Yeah, it's not all the way in. Push it a little more. Okay. And what's that?
The CPU plug.
In. Yep, that's right. Good. So everything is done now.
Except this.
For what? Oh, the panels? Yeah, you just need to put the panels back on and
Then we're finished.
plug in and power up. Hopefully the computer will run. Okay, so are you done with the computer?
I am done with the computer.
You built the computer
Yes,
from
I-
the scratch.
Yes, I built a computer.
And now we need to power on and see if that works, right?
Yes.
So can you turn on the main power switch?
Yes, I will.
So it's on the back of PSU, power supply unit. And let's go. Oh, okay, so there are some lights just turned on in the computer. And let's power on. Switch on the computer.
Here.
Over there.
This one?
Mm-hmm. That's cool.
What just happened? It's a miracle.
It's not a miracle, it's a science, Ian.
No.
Okay, so it's pretty quiet.
Why is that the fan not turning?
It seems like... Yeah, look at this screen. What does it say? An operating system wasn't found. Yes, of course, there's no operating system yet. I haven't installed it yet. So, up to now, the computer itself is working just fine. We just need to install the operating system. So your first computer build was success or failure?
Successful.
Successful. Congratulations, Ian.
Thank you.
Thank you.